In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Base44 app on the App Store. Load up Base44, then click on Apps in the top left corner and just open up the app which you want to publish on the App Store. Now from here, once you have your app loaded, you will choose Publish in the top right, and then you want to copy the website here. So just click on copy to copy the link, and you will need to go into median.co. You can use other services as well, but I suggest this one. You can or have to paste your website link here or app link and choose build your app. From here, you will type the app name. So it is going to be test currency, and you will just click on start building my app. Now, once you do this, then here you will see that it is going to begin building your app. And if you click on the expand icon, it is going to show that it's currently building for iOS. So we will just need to wait for this to complete building, and I'll show you how we can proceed. Okay, so once your app has been built here, it should show 100%. And from the left hand side, you want to click on build and download. And right here, you will see source code and IPA. You will click on build. I've just clicked on build and it lets me download it. So it's going to be rebuilding it here. Once it is complete, or it has completed the building session, then it is going to give us the download button here. So I'm just going to wait for that. Okay, so we're just going to wait patiently, and here you will see source code and you can download it. Once you click on download, then you will have the source code here. And in order to publish your app on the App Store, you will need to have an Apple developer account. If you have an Apple developer account, you will upload the files which you have gotten here from median.co, and that is how you build and upload your app on the App Store from Base44. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.